So you are Deshna's mom, huh?
Yes, yes.
No, I just want to have a chat with you. Any feedback from your daughter? And then what is your story actually? I just want to know before joining my Chinese class.
Actually, she's learning Chinese from 4 years. Almost 4 years already, even can't speak one word also. Her teacher one to one, the class was one to one. Then a teacher every time she gave her homework, writing, and reading, but she can't speak. But after your class, she can speak very well.
Serious?
Seriously. Behind with the sister, sometimes she running around. Now my little one also can speak Chinese already.
From my class?
Yes, she can sing the song also very fluently.
Very happy the progress with Deshna.
Yes, my husband also very happy. Even her grandparents are very happy with the result. Then after sending Sifu's class 3 or 4 times, she can speak Chinese. Her grandparents are very happy.
Wow.
Because my neighbors all Chinese. Now she can speak to neighbors also.
Significant progress.
Yes. Very significant progress. Last time she got, when first exam she got 66, I think.
For what?
Chinese 67. And then final exam she got 85.
Whoa.
So much progress. Last time she was a moderate student. Last time like she got 80 like that. Now she got everything 90 above.
After joining my class?
After joining your class, yes. Last exam she got everything 95 above. Yes, right? 95 above.
How come? Huh?
Only maths she got 90.
How come? Huh? Before that?
Before that she was 80 above. Now everything in 90 above.
After joining my class?
Yes.
How come? Huh?
I also don't know. But she never go to any tuitions. Only for Chinese she go for. Other subject she never went any tuition.
And I realized they are missing on in one more element. The element of enjoying, fun, happy.
That's
and I noticed when the mind is relaxed, it's easy to learn.
We sent to her normal tuition. She was very upset. When Sifu's class, she was very happy. When want to open the laptop, waiting for the class. Maybe that's why. Yes, sir. I was very happy because 3 years, almost 3.5 years, she can't speak even one word. My parents and my husband's parents started to asking, why you sent to Chinese class? She cannot even speak one word also. Why you spending so much of money? And then every class, 1 hour, I pay 30 plus. 1 hour.
Per session, huh?
Yes, per section. 3 hours in a week, almost 90. And then for 1 month, it's around 300 something.
You say like
Yes,
300, huh? 1 year is 4,000 law. For 3 years.
Yes. For 3 years. More than 3 years already.
Give me the 12,000. I'll get the job done for you better.
Okay. Actually, not only me. My cousin brothers, almost 4, they sending their children also there. After Deshna's progress, they later on my cousin's daughters also, everyone want to join Sifu's class. They're waiting for Deshna's result right now.
Serious? Oh, so
yes,
happy.
Really. Seriously, because they also 5 years for 6 years like that. So now they're waiting for Deshna's result. After Deshna's progress, they all will send to Sifu's class.
You don't mind recommending a few of your friends to join me?
Yeah, I already recommending. Already recommending.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
Good night.
Okay.